Good morning all of you. Carbonyl compound. In this video we are going to discuss about haloform reaction. Haloform indicate that we are going to prepare chloroform used as an anesthetic with the molecular formula CHCl3, also called trichloromethane. Iodoform molecular formula CHI3 used as an antiseptic. Triiodomethane. The main condition, the compound containing methyl ketone group undergo haloform reaction. Methyl ketone CH3C double bond O group is methyl ketone group. Our acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde molecular formula CH3C double bond OH contain methyl ketone group, and acetone dimethyl ketone CH3C double bond O CH3 propanone undergo haloform reaction, both the compound containing methyl ketone group. And one more thing is that among all the primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, ethanol, CH3, CH2OH, all the primary alcohol, among all the primary alcohol, only ethanol undergo haloform reaction. Why? This ethanol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde containing methyl ketone group. Therefore, ethyl alcohol undergo haloform reaction. This on oxidation gives acetaldehyde containing methyl ketone group. And the secondary alcohol CH3CHOH, also called methyl carbinol, those compound which containing methyl carbinol, not ethyl carbinol, methyl carbinol also undergo haloform reaction because secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol on oxidation, the CHOH group is oxidized into C double bond O group, that compound containing methyl ketone. Therefore, secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol also undergo haloform reaction. The reaction is very easy. Chloroform is prepared with chlorine and NaOH, Cl2 NaOH. First we take acetaldehyde as the reactant. Acetaldehyde molecular formula CH3CHO, which containing methyl ketone group. First under chlorination. First undergo chlorination. When we add Cl2, functional group attached carbon atom is alpha carbon. All the alpha hydrogens are replaced by chlorine. That alpha hydrogens are removed as 3 molecules of HCl, gives CCl3CHO. Our reactant is acetaldehyde 2 carbon eth single bond ane aldehyde ale. This is nothing but a trichloroacetaldehyde, also called chlorol. Trichloroacetaldehyde, also called chlorol. This chlorol, when treated with sodium hydroxide, NaOH, first chloroform is formed, CHCl3 chloroform, remaining HCOONA. Chloroform CHCl3 plus HCOONA, sodium formate. This is your chloroform, also called trichloromethane. Second, we have acetone, similar reaction. Now we are going to prepare iodoform in presence of I2 and NaOH. Instead of taking NaOH, you can use KOH also. Acetone containing methyl ketone group CH3, C double bond O, CH3, acetone. First when treated with I2. How many molecule of I2 required from like the previous reaction? 3 molecules of I2. All the 3 alpha hydrogen atoms of acetone are removed as 3 molecules of HI and 3 iodine atoms replaces alpha hydrogen, gives CI3, C double bond O, CH3. What is the name of this compound? Triiodoacetone, which when treated with NaOH or KOH, sodium hydroxide. Iodoform CHI3. Iodoform is obtained triiodomethane along with CH3C double bond ONA, sodium acetate, CH3C double bond ONA. So remember, the main condition to prepare haloform is methyl ketone group. Thank you for watching. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss the aldol condensation reaction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.